In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table in Canva. If you've ever found yourself needing to organize information visually, tables can be an exceptional tool. They help create a structured layout, making data easier to understand and more visually appealing. Whether you're preparing a presentation or simply arranging information for personal projects, Canva makes it quick and easy with just a few steps. First, let's begin by opening Canva. If you're new to Canva, you'll need to sign in or create an account first. Once you're logged in, start by opening your design project or a new blank canvas, whichever suits your needs best. Now, to create a table, the first thing you want to do is locate the Elements tab. You'll usually find it on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking this will open up a variety of design elements for you to choose from, such as shapes, lines, and frames. Next, in the search bar within the Elements tab, type the word table. Canva will showcase various table templates for you to choose from, ranging from simple grids to more complex layouts. Take your time to browse the options available. The key is selecting a table that not only fits your aesthetic, but also serves your purpose in terms of functionality. Once you have selected the table you want to use, it's time to bring it onto your canvas. Simply drag and drop the table of your choice onto your design. Position it where you'd like, and feel free to resize it if necessary by dragging the corners of the table. This flexibility allows you to adjust the table dimensions to better fit your content and canvas layout. Now that your table is in place, you can start adding the necessary information. Click on any cell within the table, and you'll be able to type directly into it. This feature in Canva makes editing straightforward and interactive, allowing you to see real-time changes as you input your data. If a particular cell needs special emphasis, you can alter the font style or size by using the toolbar at the top of the screen. Additionally, you have the option to change colors and add borders to distinguish different sections within your table. Be creative, but remember to keep your data easy to read. Finally, after filling in your table with all the required information, make sure to review and fine-tune the design for visual cohesion and clarity. Canva's drag and drop interface makes it easier than ever to make adjustments until your table looks just right. With these simple steps, you can effectively create and customize a table in Canva. The ability to tailor each part of your table will surely impress anyone who sees it, whether it's for business, school, or personal use. Thank you for tuning in. Enjoy making your next Canva table.